for their emphatic victory in Pakistan's general polls. The people and political parties of the election. Kolkata Knight Riders beat Royal Challengers Bangalore by 5 wickets in the IPL encounter in Ranchi yesterday, chasing the modest target of 106. We go over to Bangalore, from where our correspondent Mubarak Ahmed joins us with some of the top stories published in the newspapers from there. Mubarak, good morning. It's over to you. Really mean for Pakistan politics in the long run? In fact, one of the senior leaders, former Foreign Minister Natwar Singh, just mentioned some time back that he said that this should not be looked as a revolution of sorts in Pakistan, but a change. But the way, Jayanta, the Indian media has projected this, covered it extensively, and the way Nawaz Sharif has been talking, giving interviews extensively to Indian journalists, spelling out his agenda, if at all he comes to power, the kind of relationship that he expects to India, and the way India reacted to his way.
Actually, Indian media is fond of Pakistan. So the immediate adrenaline comes from Pakistan. But one thing I'm telling you, what you are saying, very important, that actually Mr. Natwar Singh has said that it
of his army from the heights. I mean, during that Kargil war,
yeah,
he was under tremendous pressure.
No, actually Atal Bihari Vajpayee entered into Pakistan. Nawaz Sharif is receiving Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and Parvez Musharraf and the other service chiefs, 3 service.
And the way world will now look at Pakistan's governance, Pakistan's relationship with US, Pakistan's relationship with Afghanistan under Nawaz Sharif's regime. How do you look at it? Now face an ultimate test as far as the performance his party has shown in the Taliban stronghold. Has it surprised you, first of all?
No, actually, no. My query is only one query. I don't know the answer. That whether
moving on from Pakistan's politics, let's talk about what's happening back home. In fact, Times of India, and in fact all other papers also, Rukma, are talking about reaction coming from Sonia Gandhi, exit of ministers, a Sonia PM decision, and not only PM decision.
It's actually lots of campaign and opposition parties.
Joining us on this edition of Breakfast News. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And let's just move on. The famous Char Dham Yatra in Uttarakhand will begin today with the opening of sacred portals of Gangotri and Yamunotri shrines. Portals of Kedarnath shrines will also reopen tomorrow, while the sacred portals of Badrinath will be opened on Thursday. The Char Dham Yatra will go on till the first week of November.